Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud on adobe.com step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to adobe.com. On the home page, locate the Creative Cloud option in the top navigation menu. Click on Creative Cloud to access the product page. Scroll down to find the different subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Click the Buy Now button associated with your chosen plan. If prompted, sign in to your Adobe account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts to set one up. After signing in or creating an account, you will be directed to the checkout page. Review your order summary, confirming that the correct plan is selected. Enter your payment information in the specified fields. If applicable, apply any promo codes or discounts. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click the Place Secure Order button to complete your purchase. Wait for the confirmation screen to appear, indicating your subscription is active. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after with your subscription details. Once confirmed, you can download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.